Namaskar, hello and welcome. In the previous video, we had already discussed how to create EPS and OBS in Primavera. In this video, we will discuss how to create project in the Primavera. To do so, let's jump into the Primavera. When you open Primavera P6, by default, project window will be appears in the screen. By mistake, if this windows become closed, just click on this project icon to reappear project windows. Now to create a new project, you can click on this icon new, or you can go to the file and create new icon, or you can click add button to create new project. This will open create new project windows. In this box, you have to select an EPS. To select an EPS, click on this icon, select an EPS, click on select icon or double click on it. Click next, provide a project ID, provide project name, click next, provide project plan start date. To do so, click on this icon and select an suitable date. Please do not provide any dates in the must finish by box. Click next. You can see responsible manager has been selected by default. As because this project is being created under civil construction EPS, and ED civil construction is the responsible person for that EPS. Click on next. Keep this box unchanged at this time. Click next and press finish. Now we can see a new project has been created called test project. Now we will discuss furthermore in details. First of all, you may please select newly created project. The selected project details will appear in the detail windows. Select the general tab. From here, you can change project ID, project name, responsible manager, etc. even after creation of the project. Now please look into checkout status option. There are two options, check-in, check-out. You must select check-in option to perform further activities within a particular project. If you select checkout option, you cannot perform any further activity like creating WBS activities within this project. At present, I just select check-in option. You may also see that status option is deactivated as because there is no current project is open. To open a project, just select the project, right click on it and click on open project. To navigate project window, just click on project tab. Now we can see status is active. If you click on this option, you may see that 4 options is available. Inactive, planned, what if. All these options will be discussed in the future video. You may also put your project website details in this box. And if you want to access this website, just click on launch button. Your website will be open automatically. Now in the notebook tab, you can add several details regarding this project. To add a note, click on add button, select a category, click on modify button and put the details. You can see the detail will be stored within this project. The details within budget log, spending plan, budget summary tab will be explained in future video. Now click on date tab. You can see project plan start date will appear in this box. As we mentioned during, you can change this date from here also. To do so, click on the icon and change the date accordingly. Others date shown here will be explained in future video. You can add funding details of the project through this tab. In the code tab, you can assign specific codes for filtering purpose. This will also explain in future video. In the default tabs, for creating new activities within this project, some default settings has been mentioned like duration type, percentage completion type, activity type, calendars, auto numbering of activities, etc. This will be explained in details during activity creation video. In the setting tab, by default, first day of the financial year has been selected January. You can change it into April as per the Indian standard also. For calculation of earned value, we can select project baseline or user's primary baseline. It will also explain in the respective videos. You can also define how to calculate critical path with these two options: total float less than or equal to 0 or longest path. In the calculation tab, there are several options here. We will discuss in details in the respective videos. If you don't see these whole tabs in the detail bar, right click on this area and click on custom project details and select the tab which you want to see in the detail bar. Click on this arrow key, click on apply and OK. This tab will be appear in the detail bar. Further, you can see that created project has a start date, but there is no finish date. The finish date will be calculated by the Primavera when we add activities in this project and schedule the project. You can copy the created project by right clicking on it and copy the project and paste it on the respective EPS by selecting this EPS and paste on it. You can see a dialog box will be opened. You can select the requisite options and press OK. And project will be created on the respective EPS. The newly created project will be identical with respect to the original project. And then after, you can edit, modify this project as per your requirement. This is all about the creation of project within the Primavera. Dhanyavad.